I could have got more up there. Darn. Oh well. That'll work for now.
If you were ever thinking, where's that gone?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have my friend.
Hey, oh my God, I'm terrible at this. Every day with me, Nick. Nick himself, yeah.
Nick came over from the UK just a few days ago, flew in, and he's been a big asset to the woodyard. So I'm putting him to work, and we haven't been easy on him.
No.
Late nights, early mornings, and a lot of work during the daytime.
A lot of drinking tea. Not hard tea.
Hard tea. We'll call it tea.
Yeah, right. A lot of hard tea.
Yeah, that you got tangled up into that yesterday a little bit.
Yeah, but so, no, I wanted you to put me to work though, didn't I, Jerry? I said from get-go, Jerry put me to work.
That's right.
Yeah, so
we're out here today. We're going to cut some pine up for some roadside stands we have, and this has been sitting pretty much all summer, this pine. So hopefully I only have to let it set for another week or two and it'll be ready to burn. It's campfire wood for a roadside stand. So follow along. I just showed you a little bit of the setup we have here. We have 3 Uline conveyors 10 foot long, and it runs down at an angle to the SuperSplit. Nick's going to run the SuperSplit for me.
Yep.
The all famous HD SuperSplit, and we're going to have a good time out here, and we'll see if we have any more teas left in the afternoon.
Yes, amen to that.
You ready, brother?
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to use this. I don't know why I'm recording on this one because I'm not ready.
Oh, we could have almost done them both at the same time.
I know. But no, I can't wait to run that SuperSplit. We did a little short the other day, didn't we, yesterday? Well, it doesn't bear no relevance to this, but yeah, it was fun. I like it.
If you don't know, Nick also has a kinetic splitter, and it's not a SuperSplit, but it's a Jansen.
Jansen, yeah.
Jansen.
It was a German branded Chinese machine. Let's be honest, that's what it was. So.
I think though, watching your videos on that, yours is a little bit faster than a SuperSplit. I feel like, and you ran the SuperSplit. So what's your take on it?
Yeah, sure. So even in our early stages, I obviously only did what?
Just a couple logs.
A dozen splits or so. Yeah, a couple of splits. Yeah, a couple of logs. It's slower, but it's because the rack and pinion style on this one. I've got to wait for that pinion gear to engage onto, or the rack to engage onto the pinion gear. Yep. Whereas the Jansen of mine is a clutch-based system, and you can engage that it's like a synchro on a gearbox, okay? At any time, and it can kind of come in at any time, so you can get the return stroke at the same time as it gives engagement as well, so that you're able to get that real quick bang, bang, bang like that just on the lever. Right on. And I'm going to be extra vigilant with yours because I'm not used to it yet, so I'm just going to be like a little bit like, right, I'll find that nice part, nice spot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, here we go. Stihl 441, and that's in the SuperSplit HD. And that hillbilly wood processor, and a Brit. And a Brit. Perfect. As good as it gets, man. I mean, we couldn't get any more messed up. We're having a great, you can tell we're having a great time, guys. Oh, so much fun. All right. So much fun. You ready? Jerry, just walk that in half. Yep. Here we go.
I like it. Guys, we got her done. What do you think, Nick? Maybe a cord and a half? I mean, close to a cord?
Yeah, because
between 3/4.
I don't work cords, do I? So it's
Right.
it's a learning curve for me, this one. But yeah, you know, explanation 8x4x4
Yep.
is a cord.
Right.
So yeah, by the time we filled the trailer up, which is not here now, we have actually done it.
And well, yeah.
Yeah,
There you go. We'll show you guys the trailer. I'll take you up there when I'm all done here.
So yeah, I think we'll be far out, Jerry.
It'll be pretty cool. A quarter pint. So this is gonna be all bundle wood. I'll go through this and pick the best pieces when I do the bundle, and the rest of it is just go in my little cabin wood.
Yeah, this has been different for me because, like, I do process slab wood,
Right.
but I don't Well, it's quite a chunky slab. Like we had some really chunky stuff there.
Some
that was nice.
Right.
That was like putting logs through.
Some of the big stuff.
Yeah. And
then there's some real little stuff in there that.
That's just.
It's just burning bark.
Yeah.
Basically.
So yeah, it's been a different experience of course. So,
guys, that'll do it for the most part. You know, I built this not for speed and to win any races, but to make it easier as I get older.
Yeah.
And I feel for what I'm using it for. If I can get Nick back in.
Sorry. I'm just sort of like taking it in. Yeah.
For what I use it for, it's perfect. I'm not bending over into the forest. I'm not hurting my back. It just allows me to keep going. And when we run the logs on here, that's pretty sick too. So hopefully before Nick leaves, we can get some logs up here too, and maybe make some boiler wood.
Yeah, and you know, fair play to Jill. She's a trooper.
She can keep up on. Well, not quite keep up, but
wow, it's tough. It's tough to stack it because you guys don't just do loose tip like I do.
We stack.
You stack.
Yeah,
and it's difficult to do both. At the moment, we were talking about the ergonomics of it.
Right, we need to change some things.
It works good, but the stacking is just
it's too far to move. You got to move away from the splitter each time.
That's right.
So sometimes I debate whether I need to move the splitter or need to move the dump box in the trailer. So I'm not 100% sure. But guys, that'll do it. We're out here at the woodyard. We'll see you next time. Take care.
Ciao, guys.
All right, up next now, Nick and I are going to go help my neighbor put up a tree stand, or I guess a deer blind on a platform, not really a tree stand. So this is all new stuff for Nick, so this is gonna be fun. So we're gonna grab the tractor here. Nick's already over with my neighbor right now, Bryce, and getting the stuff we need, and we're gonna go do this.
I would too would have been good, but we'll get the side by side. Whoa. Just
I'm going to go slow.
Perfect. Right, you're clear.
Yeah.
Up.
Okay, I'm going to go real slow, guys. I don't want to tip it up over it. Okay, I'm going to go just to slow down.
Right, just all out.
Wow! Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Oh, just like downtown.